Hello, everyone! Welcome to Easy English Journey. Easy steps, great English.
Hello. How is the weather today? Is it sunny? Or is it rainy? Let's learn English weather vocabulary right now.
Spring,
Spring is the season when plants grow.
summer,
Summer is the hottest season of the year.
fall,
Fall is the season when leaves drop.
winter,
Winter is the coldest season of the year.
season,
Season is a period of the year.
climate,
Climate is the weather over a long time.
water cycle,
Water cycle is how water moves on Earth.
sunrise,
Sunrise is when the sun comes up.
sunset,
Sunset is when the sun goes down.
atmosphere,
Atmosphere is the air around the Earth.
clear sky,
Clear sky is a sky with no clouds.
sunny,
Sunny is when the sun is shining bright.
cloudy,
Cloudy is when the sky is full of clouds.
overcast,
Overcast is when clouds hide the sun.
rainbow,
Rainbow is a colorful arc in the sky.
temperature,
Temperature is how hot or cold it is.
degree,
Degree is a unit to measure heat.
boiling,
Boiling is when it feels extremely hot.
hot,
Hot is a high temperature.
heat,
Heat is the quality of being hot.
warm,
Warm is a comfortable heat.
cool,
Cool is a slightly cold temperature.
chilly,
Chilly is a cold and uncomfortable feeling.
cold,
Cold is a low temperature.
freezing,
Freezing is when water turns into ice.
humidity,
Humidity is the amount of water in the air.
humid,
Humid is when the air feels wet.
Muggy.
Muggy is when it is warm and humid.
Dry.
Dry is when there is no rain.
Foggy.
Foggy is when clouds are near the ground.
Mist.
Mist is a thin fog.
Breeze.
Breeze is a light and gentle wind.
Windy.
Windy is when the air moves fast.
Gale.
Gale is a very strong wind.
Pressure.
Pressure is the weight of the air.
Drizzle.
Drizzle is a very light rain.
Rain.
Rain is water falling from the sky.
Shower.
Shower is a short period of rain.
Downpour.
Downpour is a heavy rain.
Thunder.
Thunder is a loud noise in the sky.
Lightning.
Lightning is a flash of light in a storm.
Snow.
Snow is frozen white flakes.
Sleet.
Sleet is a mix of rain and snow.
Hail.
Hail is small balls of ice.
Stormy.
Stormy is when there is heavy rain and wind.
Blizzard.
Blizzard is a severe snowstorm.
Cyclone.
Cyclone is a large rotating storm.
Tornado.
Tornado is a spinning tube of air.
Hurricane.
Hurricane is a powerful tropical storm.
Flood.
Flood is too much water on land. Great job today! You are doing amazing. So, what is the weather like in your city? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English. See you next time!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.